Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my daily makeup routine to show you what I do as a non-beauty guru. And I'm going to turn it into a series where I follow tutorials, Pinterest, I Google some ideas, and I try and do those things and learn my makeup as I go more professionally. So if you like what you see and you want more of it, please subscribe down below and let's get into the video. Well, that doesn't look great, but we're gonna go with it. So, the first thing I use is an all-white little container. So instead of primer, I prefer to use, it's called Strata, and it's oil-free mattifying fluid. So it's like a primer, but it's not, and it's really good for acne, which I need as well. So I use that for a primer. Just rub that all in and make sure that my face is covered in it. And then I use the Stay Matte by Rimmel London. Mine is 103 True Ivory that I find matches my face. Matches my skin tone. Hello. How can I help you?
Are you videotaping?
I am.
Those idiots outside both said they hear Yanni. But in the car, Dad said he heard Laurel. But now that Rob hears Yanni, Dad hears Yanni too.
You gotta do what your boyfriend says.
I know.
A stupid Laurel Yanni thing. Chloe Couture. So now that I've got my foundation on, I'm gonna use my concealer, which is the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. So, I just do a little bit of that under my eyes, like so. A little on my nose and my chin, and then just some of the areas that I absolutely need coverage in, just that little bit of extra help. And I just blend her in. So I know the view is pretty bad considering I don't have the best setup yet, but it will get better, I promise. So with that being done, the next thing I do is my setting powder. I'm just using e.l.f. brushes because that's all I have at the moment. Again, something else that I'm going to work on in the future is learning to do all of this properly. As I'm sure you can tell by now, I don't know how to properly do it. But I'm going to learn. Now, one of the things I definitely need to learn is contouring. I do not know how to do that, and that is something I really need to work on. The next thing I'm going to do is my eyeshadow. So I'm going to just go with my naturals. It's Ooh, if I can open it. There we go. I'm just going to do a natural eye. Now I know there are so many better ways to do this, but again, I don't know them yet, so I just do what I know. If you guys have any tips or tricks that would help me, or maybe tutorials you want me to follow, I would absolutely love that. And that is all I do for my eyeshadow. So moving on to the next piece would be my eyeliner. That doesn't seem to be here. Oh, found it. My eyeliner, it's Wet n Wild, but it's a little worn out, so I don't know which one it is. You can see it's just a little, there's not really much on it. So I just do my bottom waterline. I don't know how to do a wing. I don't know how to do any of that. So another thing that I'll be learning. So just along the bottom. Just simply like that. I know it's not great, but it's what I do. And then I have my Sephora Full Action Extreme Effects Mascara. One of the other things I want to learn how to do, sorry about the truck. Let's give it a minute. My window's open. It's a really hot day here in Canada. It's one of the first beautiful days that we've had, and I'm really enjoying it. But one of the other things that I want to learn is how to put eyelashes on, because I haven't figured that one out yet. I haven't had the best experience trying either. So one day I will learn. And I know that my mom and my sister want to learn that one as well, so maybe I can get them to help me learn. And that's my eyes done. So I'm going to choose a lipstick. I usually go for my basic nude, which it's e.l.f. There's e.l.f. and it's called Praline, that one. And you can tell that it's really worn out. I love this shade. Just put that on. And this is my everyday makeup. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you like what you saw and want more of it. And smile and say peaches, babes.